how to create Douyin account. So if you want to create a Douyin account, then what you need to do is first you need to have the application. But in some regions or in some countries, it might not be available. As in my case, it's not available. So if you have the application, you can open the application. Or to create your account, you can also go with your browser. You can search for douyin.com. After opening your douyin.com, you need to go with login, which is on the top. And here you need to enter your phone number. So go with the country code, select the country code, and then enter the phone number. Once you enter, tap on send code, which is here on the bottom right side. And once you tap on send code, you'll receive a code. You need to enter that code and tap on login or sign up. Once you do that, if you've already created your account with that number, then it will log you into your account. But if you've not created, then it will take you to the sign up page. You need to enter some more details like your name. You can create your password. Proceed with the following steps and your account will be created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.